Welcome. I'm Ron Brookmeyer, and I'm the interim dean of the UCLA Fielding School of Public Health. Welcome to the 45th annual Lester Breslow Lecture. What a wonderful occasion this is. The celebration of the legacy of Dr. Lester Breslow, an extraordinary public health leader, eminent professor and researcher, and the second dean of our fantastic School of Public Health. It's truly an honor to have Deborah Breslow, Lester's wife, with us today. Deborah. Deborah is a wonderful and devoted friend of public health and the school. Thank you, Deborah, for all you do. I'd also like to welcome and recognize last year's Breslow Distinguished Lecturer, Fielding School Board Member, and alumnus, Dr. David Carlisle. President and CEO of Charles Drew University of Medicine and Science. Welcome. Throughout Dr. Lester Breslow's 70-year career, his vision advanced public health. He showed us the importance of prevention. He answered the question, what is a healthy lifestyle? His groundbreaking work showed that people with healthy habits, those who exercise, get enough sleep, eat well, and abstain from smoking, can live longer. His work provided key data linking smoking and lung cancer, arguably one of the greatest achievements of public health. Lester Breslow's legacy endures at the Fielding School and in public health today. This evening, we mark the 45th annual Lester Breslow Distinguished Lecture, and we have the privilege of viewing a special exhibition of Dr. Breslow's archives. It's on display for the first time tonight in the reception area. If you haven't already had a chance to view it, please make sure to enjoy it after tonight's program. Deborah, thank you for donating this important body of work to UCLA. Thank you also to the staff at the UCLA Library Special Collections who produced this exhibition. And I'm delighted that Russell Johnson, UCLA Library's Curator of History and Special Collections for the Sciences, is here to tell us about the Lester Breslow Archive. So please help me welcome Russell Johnson.